When a new product is released, when a new piece of technology arrives, I always find myself asking, why? Is it because the consumers demanded it? Because working professionals needed it? Were shots being missed? Or was it born from something more personal? A journey, a passion project, a desire to create something others might call impossible? Because let's face it, technology isn't slowing down. It's only getting better. And it keeps pushing us to go farther, to do more, to try what once felt out of reach. But here's the thing. Not everything is made because of a need. Some things are made simply because someone believed they should exist. And sometimes, we don't even realize how much we needed it and what it might mean for the rest of the world.